It boosts your immune system. Strengthens bones. Kidney health. Supporting brain function. Anti-aging ingredients. Enhance skin health. How to make golden milk. Golden milk contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds and may offer health benefits. These can include protection against certain diseases. Here we discuss top 10 health benefits of golden milk. Second last and last is very important. At the end of the video, we learn how to make golden milk and how many days can to preserve it. Let's start the video. Top 10 health benefits of golden milk. Number 1, it has anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric milk is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that has been extensively studied for its ability to reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. By incorporating turmeric milk into your diet, you can help reduce inflammation and potentially lower your risk of developing these conditions. Number 2, it boosts your immune system. Golden milk is inspired by a beverage called haldi milk. A review of multiple studies shows that curcumin has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, supporting the tradition of using golden milk to fight off infections like the common cold. Number 3, strengthens bones. Drinking golden milk may strengthen your bones. Dairy and fortified plant milk contain calcium and vitamin D, vital for bone health. Experts recommend consuming 3 to 4 servings of calcium-rich foods like milk, yogurt, enriched plant milk, cheese, and calcium-added orange juice daily. A mug of golden milk could be one of those servings. Number 4, kidney health. Cells in the filtering apparatus in the kidneys are often affected in cases of diabetes, painkiller medication abuse, and hypertension. Turmeric may help repair and regenerate these cells and thus delay the onset of kidney failure. Number 5, promotes liver health. Turmeric milk has hepatoprotective and detoxifying qualities, both of which are crucial for liver health. Number 6, helps control pain. There are many anti-inflammatory qualities in turmeric milk. Milk supports bone health. Additionally, turmeric's anti-inflammatory qualities aid in reducing joint discomfort and inflammation. A regular glass of turmeric milk can help your bones grow stronger and ease arthritis-associated joint pain and stiffness. Number 7, supporting brain function and improving memory. Some older studies have suggested that turmeric may help improve brain function, but more recent research is necessary to fully prove its effectiveness. Ginger and cinnamon, the ingredients in golden milk, have shown some promise in animal studies. Number 8, possibly reducing the risk of cancer. Older studies on ginger, cinnamon, and curcumin show that they may have some effects on reducing the risk of cancer. It is unlikely that the small amounts of these spices in golden milk would have an impact on cancer risk. However, more research is necessary to find definitive results. Number 9, anti-aging ingredients. Curcumin is well known for its longevity benefits because it lowers the risk of cancer and heart disease. Golden milk slows aging and stops cell deterioration. Additionally, it enhances skin tone and lessens the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Number 10, enhance skin health. Turmeric has historically been used to treat a variety of skin disorders. Skincare items such as skin gels and other cosmetics frequently contain curcumin as a component. The substance is proven to improve skin defense due to its antioxidant content. Additionally, turmeric milk cinnamon encourages the creation of collagen. This fights against early indications of aging and supports skin health. If you like the video, please like it. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and press the icon so that these informational videos to reach you, and a good comment about the video. It is encouraged by you. How to make golden milk. To make golden milk, a person will need 1/2 cup Non-dairy milk such as coconut or almond milk, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger or 1/2 teaspoon ginger powder, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon honey. Combine all the ingredients in a pot. Next, bring the mixture to the boil, then reduce to a simmer. Let the mixture simmer for about 10 minutes or until it is fragrant. To serve, strain the mixture through a fine strainer to remove the spices. Golden milk will keep in the refrigerator for around 5 days. Be healthy and be happy always.